So this is in continuation of the previous video where we discussed about Python data source API and how we can utilize this functionality to read from different data sources. We also discussed a simple demo how we can use this Python data source API, register it, and then get the data from by generating a fake synthetic data. So here in this video, we will discuss how we can get the data from external data sources like REST APIs. Here I'm using this particular endpoint. This is a European Central Bank endpoint where they will give currency rates for different currencies. The base currency will be euro, and for that, the exchange rates for different currencies. So here I'm creating a currency data source reader with these uh, declarations, and then I'm giving URL, all those stuff, and then it is a different, the format will be in a different series, like hit connect data sets and all the series like the close and all those stuff. So I'm extracting the data what we need actually, and then creating a currency data source using this particular data source reader, and then creating a schema, and then this is the reader function where it will use currency data source reader and get all the details. So the same way how we did for fake data source. So this asset fake data source where I'm creating a fake assets here with this list. So where it can generate randomly data. The same way here, we are using external API and then getting the data. So we created this particular currency data source reader, and then we are using that in this currency data source. So I registered it, and I tested it for a month. Now let us go from January to today is October 4th. Since it's Saturday, we will reiterate until 3rd. So what it does, so we gave, so here we, this is default start date and end date. Now here I'm going to do it for the same currency data source reader where we can invoke with this name currency from January to until October 3rd. So this is going to fetch the data from this particular data source reader where we already created, and then that will be Euro USD rate. Let us see how it works. We already tested it for a month, but this is from January to October. We'll simultaneously see the backend what it does actually. Oh, it's already done. So quick. It just took 7 seconds only. So it read the data directly. So now if you can see, it has all the data. Even I can give you the count. Oh, it's only 109. Yeah. So not much record. So only 194 records here. So this is how we can utilize custom data source API, custom data source API. You can define your own custom data source. So either it may be a REST API, whether you're calling data from REST API or any other your own in-house databases. Instead of writing Python code, you can define once and then reuse multiple times. This is very useful and handy while you are working with different data sources. Just one time you need to register it, define it, and then register. That's it. Then you can use it anywhere in your data pipelines. So hope it will give you some idea how we can use the data source API. Thank you very much.